Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a black border around text in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document, blank document. Now I insert black border around text in this document. At first, you have to go insert menu, then press drawing option. Now press plus new option. Now you can see here are action drop down menu. Just press this action drop down menu and choose word art. Now write on your text. Now select this text and double click on it. Now you can see I insert this text. Now double click on this text and select this text. Make it bold and change this fill color. Now I change it to white. Now I add black border on this text. Select this text box, then go to border color. Now choose black. Now I increase this black border white. Now I choose 12 pixel, then press save and close. Now click outside on this text. Now you can see I insert black border around text in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.